Alright guys, tikakambati accidents do happen to our gadgets. This is what we mean. Guys, this phone is badly damaged. It came in broken, what do I say, disfigured, if I can use that word. In today's digital age, smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. They serve as our communication tools, personal organizers, and source of entertainment. However, accidents happen, and our beloved device can suffer from damages, particularly to their screens. When faced with such situation, it is crucial to seek professional phone repair and screen replacement services. In this video, we'll explore the reason why your top game store is a go-to place for these services, highlighting expertise, quality of work, hawe nakamba maningi chizombonga zero palastia. Okay guys, so my one manje process in the poi phone to restore. We got the housing, we got the new battery, the new screen, kind at least motherboard in the shabe mshamushe vinadchoka chevin the got a new back cover as well. But we love what we do, and we love seeing your gadgets in good shape. Listen to what the owner said.
Professional bat. It's me, customer, who recommended that.
Yeah, you can say you'll be able
Professional bats.
So guys, you see at the Top Game Store, we make sure our client are satisfied with our work.
Nice, kawek bat.
Sure. Let me hand it over now. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.